one thing. Once I saw a dead bird.
Yes.
In my pool, I found a dead bird outside.
Yes.
I saw the fur of it, and then my mom tried to pick it up.
Yes.
With special mittens that can touch birds.
Yes.
But she didn't get that bad.
Oh.
She just
It's inside.
I want to see the bird.
I'll open it at the end. We need to get the headstones and stuff ready. How do we know it's not big enough, though? How do we know the hole's not big?
We can use this. She saw an animal come out of that hole one time.
Oh, so you're afraid about using that hole?
No. She just said I don't want them.
Oh. Oh, because the animal might be coming back out. So you're saying we should maybe bring a hole elsewhere? Like find a different hole? But, well, the sand would, I don't know if the sand would be a good, I don't know if a sand would be a good spot. Well, I'm in the forest, so we could just try something like, excuse me. Okay. Yes.
Or we could make a hole.
We could make a hole. Where should we build? Dig one.
We can use mine.
We could use those, but how can we make a hole? Where would we dig it?
Where can you dig it now?
Should we dig it somewhere else? Like, is this big enough?
I know.
Oh.
Can I dig?
Here. I think we found a spot for a hole.
Where?
Right here. It's soft enough to dig. And it's near prickly bushes, so people will want to come near it. And lots of mindfulness as we dig our way through. And not a hole that another animals come out of. Oh, are you trying to dig too with those? Is it working?
No. Let's use it. You guys get out the way because